everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Vlog number who knows what now, but today we got an NSX in here getting a little bit of love. Let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so my buddy just dropped off his new to him NSX. It's pretty stock, so as you know, can't keep things stock around here. We're gonna be giving it a little bit of love. He had brought me a new front lip and a rear diffuser piece and some wheels that we're gonna paint to his liking, but it was just a lucky charm that I had some wing west side skirts, same freaking color here, just sitting around here at the shop. So I offered those to him, and looks like we're gonna go ahead and install those as well. The thing about the wing west side skirts is that they're infamously, they kind of spread apart, just like I'm not gonna go ahead with that analogy, but they're kind of warped and they need a little bit of love. So meanwhile, while I am prepping out the front lip and the rear diffuser, I'm gonna go ahead and clamp down the side skirts so they can start taking form while I get the other pieces into primer. Here is the front lip. I believe this is from Downforce. If it's not, then I'm sorry. And here we have the rear lip, which is also fiberglass. These are both gonna need a little bit of primer, but before I start prepping these out, I gotta show you guys the side skirts that we're working with. So these are true authentic Wings West side skirts. You know, they kind of bow out on the bottom, so when you see it from the side, it looks a little weird. So, you know, duct tape faces everything. Put a little duct tape on these things. We're gonna put them out in the sun and clamp some of it and see if we get this shape to correct itself. We're gonna leave these in the sun for a little bit, and meanwhile, I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping out the rest of the parts.
Many hours later.
Kind of a bitch, huh, G?
That's annoying.
Your favorite?
Not really. Anybody that wants to learn this stuff, you want to do this stuff? Come on down and learn this stuff.
Come on down, huh, G? Get him some sandpaper real quick, huh?
The next day.
All right, guys, I got this rear diffuser add-on ready to go ahead and hit with 400 wet. We have our Tesla supplied Tesla technology Elon Musk custom water dispenser, and we got some 400 in the bucket. Jose just getting that
AI Tesla.
The AI Tesla. You like that?
I kind of look weird because where I'm sitting, bro.
You know, ya que estás ahí, ¿no?
No. Yeah.
But Jose just getting these lines nice and crispy real quick, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start giving it wet sanding. I gotta throw this part in the booth ASAP because this lip goes two-tone. That complicates things a whole lot more. You gotta shoot your sealer, let that dry, shoot some base in here, let that dry, and then from there, then I'll be able to throw the rest of the parts in, mask off the black, and get this thing into paint today. I gotta get into paint today. I gotta let this thing dry over the weekend, and get this thing ready for delivery early next week because he needs his car back. So let's get this thing wrapped up. Alright guys, and here is the finished product. What do you guys think? Take a load of that gloss. Real nice and even all the way through. These are fiberglass, by the way, so it's a lot of work to get them this nice. But this is gloss, just standard gloss black in the center, all masked up. All right, Jose, getting to it. Almost. So one thing that we didn't know when we started this was that this is actually aluminum.
I think it's aluminum.
We think. Yeah. What's one way to put it to the test?
Let's get a magnet.
Get a magnet?
Let's get out my theory. Let's see. Let's get a magnet. You have a magnet?
But if it's not aluminum, then we get the same price though, right? If not, the price went up.
Yeah. If it's aluminum, the price goes up. If it's not aluminum, the price stays the same.
Okay.
So it's a win-win for both of us. Where is it?
Is it magnet?
Find out.
Got a magnet?
It is metal. But it's metal with aluminum. So that
Alright guys, and that is going to wrap up today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I know today's video was like kind of short and like really abrupt ending, but you know, I just wanted to kind of keep on top of the weekly vlogs. I feel like every week they're coming out later and later, and I just wanted to update you guys on a couple of the cars that we have going on. This upcoming week we have a lot of videos to edit. I'm not sure how exactly we're going to post them, but the Velside RX-7 is pretty much ready for assembly, and that's gonna be a video I want to take a little bit more time on because we've been working on the car a long time. So that video, I don't know if that will be this week, but the car is getting done this week, so I want to try to get that video to you guys as soon as possible, because there's been so much time put into that vehicle that, you know, I want to make sure the video does it justice. Secondly, we got a really badass Supra from Mark with 2 JZ swapped A90. That's going to be a very badass project. We're waiting for some stuff to come in, so I haven't really given you guys an update on that car, but I will here next week. We have an air-cooled Volkswagen that just came in, as you guys saw in the last clip. Got a convertible top, and just so much stuff to give you guys updates on. But again, we are still going to keep on with the weekly vlogs. This was just a little edit I put together today on a Sunday, and getting ready for the week and kind of just getting all the content ready for you guys. So as always, pick what you guys want to see first from what I just mentioned. Also, make sure you guys like and subscribe to our channel because it helps us out way more than you know. Also, new merch coming very, very soon. Thank you guys for all your love and support. Continue through all the years. Means a lot, guys. So we're gonna end it right here. Thank you guys so much. Here at SOS Customs, we got you covered. Peace.